there. This week I screened a student who has Turner syndrome. And with Turner syndrome, the student is missing a second chromosome on some of their genes. And so I'm not an expert on genes at all, on genetic mutations or anything like that at all. I've had only one student in all of my years of tutoring, so like in 9-10 years, I've only had one other student, and she had Wilson's syndrome. And she made very good progress. It was much slower, but it was really good, solid progress. So I told the parent that, yeah, I just don't know, but I was willing to see her. I did my screening, and there's a couple things that kind of showed up on the screening, but most specifically and most obviously was visual perception confusions. And so that's definitely something that we can address with cognitive training. Sometimes we need vision therapy, but sometimes we can just do it with a much quicker and cheaper cognitive training. So I'll be starting with her twice a week, and we'll be seeing how that goes. Another area that I noted was weakness in auditory sequencing and even working memory to some extent, but that often is the flip side of the visual perceptual confusions. So that doesn't surprise me at all, nor does it concern me that we definitely can address that. There did seem to be some executive function weakness, especially in cognitive flexibility. That's not something I'm as experienced with, and so we'll see how that goes, see if I can come up with some good ideas for helping her with that.
So, if you'd like to follow my journey on helping a student with Turner syndrome, you can click on this video right here. And I'd love it if you drop me a comment below letting me know why you are interested in this series. Are you a parent, a tutor, or something else? Knowing that will help me plan this series going forward. Or I'll also link to my more general playlist on how kids learn and what goes wrong to cause learning difficulties. See you in the next one.